yung maliit. Nagtitigil pag ito matanggal. Ano ba? Ayan. Sigigil lang sila place. Spinach ko. Spinach ko. Ang tao. Dami natin yung isa pa. Spinach guys. Ayan. Mga anak. Ito yung ating tatanim. Marami. Ayan guys. Ayot lang. It's raining guys. It's raining. The other side, guys. So alam mo may apples pa dito guys, may apple pa tayo, and the other rows I put here the other rows. Ayan, let's see. Mag-roses sila dito yan. Heidelbeering yan, berries yan. Nag-red na because already autumn. It's already autumn, that's why their leaves are going red. Look at that. That is heidelberry, no? That kind of berries. And this is our, look at that guys. Pear. Yung Berne yan, yung parang bayabas, nag-yellow na it's already autumn guys, become yellow the leaves, and then next year still alive, mag-going green again, come the new leaves, and then green. This one yan, malaglag lahat yun. Dito magtanim tayo dito guys, kasi alam mo dito had and look here. May butas dito butas dito, pwede magtanim tayo dyan. We plant here the fortune guys, kasi madisgrasya ka dito, kasi it's dangerous if you walk there, that's steep. Berries, if summer many fruits but berries, no? Yes, this is our new plants today, that fortune. The flower like this, long the stalk, and then white the flower. That's one. Yeah, they had flower. That's why I removed the other there. I removed the other there guys, because it's too much, no? It's too much. That's why I removed the other, because it's too much. So this one look at that. So tomorrow we'll continue to plant this, no? This one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we continue to plant this tomorrow, okay? Yan, fortune flowers. Ayan ang strawberry natin guys, strawberry yan. Look, strawberry. But never died yan. Let it spread in ilo. Let it. Kasi strawberry are there. Di rin, hindi sila mamamatay. I'm still alive. This is still alive. They are very strong, no? If winter Yun. The leaves become only red, no? Look at that, the arrow. It's already red, no? That is the secret of strawberry, no? Look at that, guys. So, ayan, puno yung ating container ng tubig ko from the rain, guys. So, nice, no? This one, oh. But this is not plants. The other, they did not remove that. It's later because very colorful. Really colorful people. But here is not good in our garden. Not good in our garden because killing the other plants. This kasabod-sabod ba ganun, oh. So for example, this is your plants, no? This is your plants, for example. So for example, you have plants, and this one, yeah, to come, and then like this, no? Yeah, she likes really to kill the other plants. That's why it needs to remove this. I got the the nakbar, the neighbor. Yan. Yan. This one yan, guys, oh. Yan. Mag-become like that later. So, very nice to look to. That's why. You know, guys, this is already here, 6 o'clock. Going 6 o'clock evening. When summer, normal 6 o'clock had still sunshine because it's now autumn. That's why, you know, when autumn here always had with rain, no? The season autumn had rain like that, no? So and nice to walk in the garden when the sand is not dry because nice to plant squash in the garden, no? Like that. So look at that. Oh, I have many here. Had also fortune plants, or everywhere fortune plants. You know, guys, my fortune plants, but from my friend I got only one, and then when ayan ang bunga na mga langga. Oh, look at that, no? Our calamansi. Yan, our calamansi, oh. Yan ang bulaklak niya, oh, yung flowers niya. Yan, tapos ang kapalit ng flowers na yan, pag nalaglag na yung flowers, fruits na yung calamansi niya. Yun na ang pinakabunga niya na dyan. Ito, noon, nang kailan lang yan, ang bulaklak ito. So now, bunga na. Yan, di ba? Akala ko mamatay na ito dahil malamig. Nilipat ko dito. Ayan. Kasi dito sa balkon, sa taas, umiinit minsan yung araw. Diba sa atin ito? Crotons ito sa atin, crotons. Hindi ya dahon ito, iba ang dahon ito. Iba yung dahon nito, maliliit ang dahon nito. Ano yan lang, tinabiya lang yung ibang tanim, yung dahon, crotons. Alam mo, nagtanim ako nito, hindi nagtubo. Hindi yan nagtubo sa atin. Crotons to sa atin, di ba? Crotons. Oh, di ba? Crotons yan. Ayan, maliwanag na mga hangga. Crotons ito, oh. Yan. Nagtanim ako ito, di nabuhay sa akin. Iwan ko ba, kulang yata sa init. Tapos ito, iba ito. Gusto ko magkaroon ng tanim ito. Pag mayroon na ako yan, ang ganda-ganda yan. Uli, violet, oh. Ganda. Maliwanag pa yung sa handi, oh. Ito, oh, lahat dito, ano ba, guys? Ito. Kerbis, yung kalabasa. Squash. Yung mga maliit na squash natin, ano na lang natin, decorate. Ayan, oh, ay nasira na siya, oh. Decoration na lang natin garden, guys. So, meron pa. Very nice because ang aking flower. Ayan, oh. Flowers from the garden, guys. Madilim, madilim. Ito ang yellow attractive siya, oh. Kaisa-isang bulaklak kong yellow. Ayan, noon nanggaganap yan, sarado. Close pa yan, noong close. Ngayon, pag open, ay, ang ganda pala. Ang ganda niya. Yellow rose. Bango to ka. Mabango guys. Mabango. Bango. Mabango ng gao. Bango.